Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the screw securing the side cover. Unlatch and lift the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the memory module to lift it out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Place the side cover on the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.